Hey, what's up my fellow teammates? Welcome back to another redstone tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create an awesome redstone bunker entrance, which I used in my Let's Build series that premiered yesterday. If you guys want to go ahead and take a look at that series, it will be linked on your screen right now or in the description box down below. It's an awesome series that teaches you how to create the ultimate redstone defense base, which is a redstone bunker, and it's quite nice, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But anyways, this is going to be the design. It is created by MumboJumbo. All credit goes to him. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Basically, we step on these blocks right over here, hit that button, we get dropped down into the area below us, and here we are. So this is basically going to be a little entrance where we could add in a tunnel, a room, pretty much anything that we want. And to leave this area, we could just come over here, hit that button, and then we get popped out back on top, and it is quite perfect. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at how to build this. I kind of built it twice for some reason, but on this side, what we would need is a 5 by 8 by 7 deep hole. So this side is 5, this side is 8, and this side is going to be, of course, 7. And this is basically going to be the top block. So the 7th block is going to be the area for our floor. And then once you have that, guys, you could go ahead and grab yourselves a sticky piston, count 4 blocks this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, count 3 blocks down, place your sticky piston facing up. Once you've done that, place down a slime block over here, place down 2 blocks of your choice right over there, then build up some blocks on this side, which is going to be temporary blocks like so. So 2 layers of blocks, bring it out by 1, and place down some sticky pistons facing this way on top of those blocks, another layer of sticky pistons, and then finally a final layer of sticky pistons facing up. And you want to go ahead and do that same thing on this side, so let's go ahead and do that. 2 more layers right over here, a layer coming out, place down sticky pistons like so, and actually facing this way, and then place some down facing up. And once you have that, you can go ahead and remove these temporary blocks because you don't really need it, and then we could go ahead and connect this system all up together using our redstone. What you want to do is place down 2 blocks right over here and right over there. Come on over to the side with our slime blocks, place down 2 blocks on top of that slime block and then extend it by 2. Destroy these temporary blocks and then place down a block next to this one that you place down, and place down some redstone on top of those. Then once you have that, you want to go ahead and grab another block of your choice, build it down like so, place a redstone repeater coming out of that block, going into another block of your choice with a redstone torch on top of that. So place down the redstone torch and then another block on top of your redstone torch. You want to grab yourselves a slab, so let's go ahead and look for one. There we go. We could grab any one that we want. I'm going to use a birchwood slab, place it down right over here with a bit of redstone on top of that. It should extend the piston. Then you want to go ahead and place down another block of your choice right next to that slab and place down a redstone repeater coming out of that bit of redstone, which should then retract the pistons. Once you have that, you want to go ahead and grab another block of your choice, place 2 blocks down over here, place down a bit of redstone over here with a repeater going into another block, and then another block up here, and then you want to go ahead and place down a bit of redstone on top of this block and set this repeater to 3 ticks. Now once you have that, you want to go ahead and come down here and place a redstone torch on the block that has the first redstone torch, and then you want to go ahead and kind of place down some blocks like so, extend it to this area just like I'm doing right over here, and it should be like that. And then you want to go ahead and grab yourselves some more slabs, place it right over here on the top section of that piston, then place it down over here and extend it, destroy the first block, and then place down redstone here, redstone there, place down another block over here with another lever over here to divert the redstone signal. And then we want to go ahead and place down our redstone repeater going into this block with a bit of redstone on top of that, which should then activate all of this redstone over here. So once you have that completed, guys, you want to go ahead and copy that on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that. We want to go ahead and do the same thing I'm doing right here, a block coming out of the first bit of redstone going into another block with a torch on top of that, and then another block on top of that torch with a slab on this side right over here with a bit of redstone on top of that, another block over here, a redstone repeater going towards this direction, 2 blocks on this side with a bit of redstone dust here, a redstone repeater, set it to 3 ticks, then 2 blocks over here, and then a bit of redstone on top of this block, which is going to get a signal and then power both of these blocks. And then what we need to do now is basically place down a bit of or a redstone torch on this block with our redstone torch, and then extend the blocks all the way over till here. You could destroy these blocks down here if you like. And then you want to go ahead and grab yourselves a slab, place it on the bottom section or the top section of that piston, and then extend it over, and then place down redstone dust here, another block over here, and then place down a lever to divert that bit of redstone, place down our repeater down here, and then place down our redstone, which should then activate all the redstone on this side. Alright, so now we can go ahead and test out the system, but first we need to go ahead and place down 2 blocks over here and 2 blocks over here, which is very important to take an input to turn on our pistons. Once that is completed, you want to come over here to this side to our redstone input, add in a lever, and then flick that lever to turn our entire system on. As you can see, it is working just fine. Now we need to connect this up to our slime blocks at the bottom. To do this, you want to grab a block of your choice, place it under this block right over here, destroy that block, place down a bit of redstone, and then have another block over here with a redstone repeater coming out of this bit of redstone on top of this block, if that makes any sense, and then have it going into another block of your choice. And then on the face of this block, you want to place down a dropper, and then place a hopper going into that dropper, and then you want to place down another block right over here with a comparator taking a signal from that hopper, going into yet again another block, and then another redstone repeater coming out of that block to grab that signal, going into another block yet again, and then you want to go ahead and place down 2 blocks over here with some redstone on top of that, which should go ahead and activate your piston. And then the final thing you want to do is place down a random item into that item hopper, which should allow you to make the entire system work. And finally, you want to go ahead and grab yourselves a button and place your button down in this section to test out the area. So place the button right down there, and you come onto the area where our slime blocks are, hit that button, and we should get launched up to the top, and we should land here perfectly. Now, the final thing you could do is build up 4 blocks right over here on top of our redstone, destroy this block, and place a sticky piston facing down. Then on the face of that sticky piston, you could put a block of redstone, and then once you have that, destroy the block at the bottom, and then place a button right over here, and that should go ahead and allow us to take an extended signal, which allows us to kind of have an entrance button. So there we go, guys. That is basically how that works. Very simple, and I hope you guys followed along and built it for yourselves. If you enjoyed this video, please take 1 second to smack the like button. You can subscribe to my channel to see more of these awesome redstone tutorials, as well as redstone map showcases and a ton more. But anyways, guys, this was Twiistz, and I'll see you guys later.